Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add number to call forwarding on Android phone. If at the end of this video guys you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So guys, how do you add number to call forwarding on your Android phone? If you have multiple numbers that usually disturb you and you don't want to block them, but you don't want them to call you to have access to your line, you can just put the number on call forwarding. So how do you do this? First thing to do is to open up your phone app. When you open up your phone app, guys, on this setting icon, just click on it. Now from there, see this career feature, which is the second option here. Click on it. Then come to your caller account here. Click on the number. Then under this page, you have voicemail, fixed line number, we have call forwarding. Just click on this call forwarding. Now under this call forwarding settings, guys, you click on this always forward. When you click on it, you can see this number on my phone. There's no way this number will call my line and I will be able to receive. That person will just be receiving a message that this call is forwarded. So guys, if you want to add more number to this forwarding numbers, you can just go ahead and delete it. Then you paste the number here. Then you click on update. When you click on update, guys, then whenever the number calls you, you won't be able to receive that number. Now let me show what I'm saying now. I have added this number to call forwarding on this number. Whenever I dial this number here on this phone, I won't be able to receive any message or any calls from this particular number. Can you see it? It will always be busy, or can you see guys? I think you can hear that. That is just it. So guys, whenever you add number to call forwarding like this, those people you've added to it won't be able to reach out to you through calls. Then if you want to add more numbers to it, you can just come back to this call forwarding again. Then tap on this always forward. Click on this contact icon. When you click on it, it will bring all your contacts. You can just go ahead and choose those people you want to add. You add them. Then after adding them, you can just go ahead and click on update. So far you've added those numbers to call forwarding, they won't be able to have access to your number. They can just be calling your number and they'll be receiving message that your number is busy, and later it is said, and later it will tell them it is forwarded. So guys, that is how to add number to call forwarding on Android phone. If you find this video so helpful guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, give the thumbs up and turn on the notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.